Willkommen zu einem weiteren Video von der Creative World 2020 und was ich dort alles gefunden habe. Hier an diesem Stand ging mir das Herz auf. Warum? Weil ich vor einigen Jahren schon einmal mit Resin gearbeitet habe, aber seitdem keine Quelle mehr finden konnte, wo ich mein geliebtes Resin herbekomme. Und dieses Resin, mit dem ich vor Jahren gearbeitet habe, das gab es auf dem deutschen Markt nicht mehr so ganz einfach zu kaufen. Und jetzt habe ich das hier entdeckt und schaut mal, was man da alles mitmachen kann. Und was soll ich sagen? Resin war der heiße Trend der Creative World. Und hier an diesem Stand seht ihr eine Firma, die sich nur damit beschäftigt, mit diesem Resin-Produkt, mit Kunstharz, das in der Anwendung heutzutage so einfach ist, dass man eigentlich nur noch rühren können muss, um solche Kunstwerke zu erstellen. Ja, schaut euch das Video mal an und was hier alles damit gemacht wird und wie es geht. Das kommt gleich.
That's good for large amounts, or if you're going to make a small amount, like for jewelry, you can just use like these little plastic glasses. I was going to say, it's done by volume, not by weight, so you don't need a scale, it's just by volume. So it's equal amounts of hardener and equal amounts of resin.
Ja, und hier habe ich mir am Stand von Art Resin zeigen lassen, wie das Produkt verwendet wird. Ich habe vor einigen Jahren schon einmal mit einem ähnlichen Resin gearbeitet und auch ein Video dazu erstellt. Das verlinke ich euch in der Infobox. Ansonsten schaut einmal hierzu, wie einfach das ist. Also man rührt eigentlich nur zwei gleiche Mengen zusammen. Und dann kann es auch schon losgehen. Ja, und was die Dame hier im weiteren Verlauf ihrer Vorführungen zu erzählen hat, das ist natürlich auf Englisch. Und ich versuche euch so die wichtigsten Punkte mit deutschen Texten einzublenden.
Ja, perfect. Yeah. Okay, so then you can just mix it.
I was looking for that for years.
And then you can use like a craft stick like this, or you can use a plastic stick, and then you just mix. And you need to mix for 3 minutes. And you can see it's going to go cloudy at first, but when the two mix together, then it goes clear again. And you want to mix slowly, not like you're whipping cream, because then you get more bubbles when you mix fast, right? So you mix slow. We're going to get some bubbles, but that's okay. And then as you mix, you want to scrape. And you scrape the sides like this, scrape, and then you scrape the bottom too. And you do that because you want to make sure you get every little bit of resin and hardener mixed together. Oops, oops, cracked it. So you mix for 3 minutes. So we'll pretend that was 3 minutes, we don't have to. You can see it's getting more and more clear, like the cloudiness has gone away. Now that it's mixed. Perfect. Okay. So we'll say that was 3 minutes. Okay, and then we're going to put it on our artwork. So you can put it on photographs, on paintings, on wood, metal, glass, ceramic, cork. Basically anything except for plastic. It won't stick to plastic. Okay? And so you notice you never want to scrape. You don't want to scrape it out, and the reason is if there's any hardener or resin stuck to the sides that didn't get mixed in, and then you scrape it out, it's going to make soft spots or sticky spots even. So we don't never scrape it. You scrape when you mix, but not when you pour. Okay, so then you can use a stick like this, or you can use, we have the spreader here. So it has different teeth on it, so if you want to spread less, you use the wide teeth. Okay, so now we can dome it. So we're just going to, you can see it's already starting to spread out by itself, but we're just going to help it. And we're just going to spread it out. And it has a consistency like honey. So you can just bring it right up to the edge like that, and it's going to stay there. It's not going to move. See, you can go all the way around. Like that, all the way around your piece, and just dome it. And then you get a beautiful clean edge like that. So you want to do it gently. If you push too much, it's going to go over the side. But you, you know, you can just guide it right to the edge there. because it's so thick it stays, you know.
Yeah.
But if you have something like a canvas that has a side on it, you know, something like this that has a side, you can let it run over the side as well. And this is why we like to prop it up on stands like that. And then we have our surface is lined with plastic, so we usually use plastic shower curtain. So any drips the next day when they dry, you can just peel them right off.
Perfect.
Okay, so you can spread it out all over your piece. Okay, and also because it's so thick, if you wanted, you could only do like just a little bit, like just do the black outline. It'll stay. So you can just embellish, you know, little parts of it. Okay, so we'll pretend that we spread that out. I didn't put enough.
That's a trick. Yeah.
On our website, we have a calculator. So if you go to artresin.com/calculator, and then you can enter the length and the width of your piece, and it will tell you how much resin you need.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So then you need a torch, and torch, this is like a creme brulee torch, and it's really the best tool to get rid of the bubbles.
Okay.
So some people use a heat gun, but we really like using the flame torch.
Yeah, the heat gun is.
It blows. Yes, exactly. It pushes the resin around. So here you can see the bubbles disappear like magic. And you don't need to do this very much. Maybe 2 or 3 passes with the torch is enough to get rid of the bubbles. That's it. So it's very quick, and it does a beautiful job of getting rid of the bubbles. Okay, and then usually what we like to do is we keep toothpicks close by, and then look at it in the light, and then you can see if you missed a bubble, or maybe there's a bit of dust or hair, and then you can just either pop the bubble, or you can pull out a little bit of dust. And then the last step is to cover it, and again to protect it from dust while it's wet. And then in 24 hours, you're going to have something hard, just like that. So we say it's a hard cure in 24 hours, and then it's fully cured in 72 hours, all the way through.
Okay.
So you can hang this on your wall.
Ja, ich hoffe, die Vorführung hat euch inspiriert und ihr habt schon mal so einen ersten Eindruck davon gewonnen, wie Art Resin benutzt wird und was man damit machen kann. Und ihr schaut auch bei den nächsten Videos wieder rein, wenn ich euch noch mehr von der Creative World zeige und auf jeden Fall noch viel, viel mehr von Art Resin, denn ich bin da total angefixt worden. Und Daumen hoch, bitte nicht vergessen, ein Abo mit dem Glöckchen am allerbesten. Und ich hab euch lieb, eure Bärbe. Tschüss.